So hey guys, happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th of July,
Happy
everybody!
4th of July.
You?
Happy American Day.
So it's the 4th of July and we're on our way to go eat breakfast with the family, and yeah, we're gonna go and celebrate the 4th of July. We'll probably do some cookout later on and watch the fireworks tonight. So we'll wait for Steph and John. They'll probably be home after lunch today. She and John were at John's father's, visiting with him. He came from Florida, so yeah, so that's what's happening today, and I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, we're here eating lunch, and my niece came from Florida to visit. Woo! Say hi, Elisa. Hi, and there's her husband. Orlando guy. So we've just been having lunch here together. I'm so happy she took some time to come see me and you know, just talked and stuff. So yeah, this is my beautiful niece. I love her very much. And
You look pretty, okay?
she's got a great heart, that I gotta say. She's got a very good heart. So yep, they're leaving tomorrow, so we just took a couple hours to be with them and, you know, just talk and catch up, you know.
And we're going back to the sun.
They're going back to the sun because in Florida it's really, really hot. So, all right. So you guys met my niece.
Have a good day.
Bye. So we're leaving the restaurant now, and we're in the mall. So guys, we just came to the dealers to look at cars because my husband's looking for a lease, and the dealers are closed. What happened to the 4th of July specials? I don't know what's going on, but the dealers are closed. We checked the Hyundai dealer, the Chevy dealer, and they're closed. I don't understand, but my husband's looking at that beauty right there. Where is it? That beauty. That's a Camaro, a Chevy Camaro. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. They went to look at it. They're just over there talking. So anyways, I thought because it was the 4th of July, there was going to be a lot of buys. And I'm not sure if it was they were only open till noontime or what went wrong. But they're closed, so I don't know. I don't know if we missed out on the specials or not. But I guess they took the day off. So we'll see what happens now. I guess we're gonna be headed home then to meet John and Steph, and then we'll wait till later on to go to the fireworks. So that's what we're doing. Caleb got bored waiting in the car, so he's outside playing with what, 2 cars? Let me see what they are. Is that Mario and Luigi?
No, it's Marco and
Polo.
Lando.
Marco Polo.
Polo doesn't start with an L.
So what the heck happened to the specials for 4th of July?
I guess it's the 4th and the 6th, not the 5th. I mean the 3rd,
No, today's the
3rd and the 5th.
So tomorrow, you think?
The Mazda dealer had people there, but
The Mazda dealer has people?
not this one or Friday.
That doesn't make any sense.
They celebrate.
So we're here at the Honda dealer. This was the only dealer that was opened. And what's Tabby?
Go home, Steph.
You want to go home because Steph's home?
Yes.
We're looking at the Honda Civic right now. That's the best leasing price that they have for the Honda Civic. We're going to take a look at it and see if we like it. And then we're going to check how much is the leasing for the Honda Civic. So we're waiting for the guy to drive up the car so we can see if we like it or not.
Yeah.
And now Jay's laughing.
Hello there.
What are you giving a talk about?
I'm hungry again.
I know.
Okay.
Gotta go check my phone because Stephanie was texting me. Steph says, we're home. When will you be back? Soon. We are looking at cars right now. And that's what I sent her. Here's the car that they're bringing to us. It's a Honda Civic. And I think you can pick the color you want. Black is the worst color.
I have a black car. It's impossible.
Yeah, it's bad.
Go with white. Yeah, same problem.
But with a leasing, you pick a color or
Oh, yeah,
you do?
yeah.
Okay. I hear silver's the best for the scratches and stuff. Yeah. You want to look at it?
I wonder how it is. That's kind of cool.
It's a nice 4-door. RJ smelling it. Oh my gosh, it smells
smell good?
brand new, yeah.
Oh, it smells like a new car.
Smells good, huh? Oh, sorry.
I love the smell of new cars.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
This is 4, right? 4-cylinder?
Yes.
The Econ button, is that for the gas? Yeah.
It helps you gas mileage, but you'll feel it. It takes a little bit away from the pep.
Oh, really?
Yep. So it's good for like long stretches of road, highway, stuff like that.
But not the city.
But not the city, because you need that get up and go,
Okay.
especially around here.
Right. Does it have a thing to open the trunk?
Yep. That's right down there on the left side.
Right there?
Yep. Just pull it up.
Oh, not bad. Usually the little cars have tiny trunks, but that's
Yeah.
not bad.
No, they,
And you can push these down?
yep. The whole thing goes down.
Okay. It's not bad. Is that about the size of his? RJ's?
Maybe.
A little bit? Which one's bigger? This one? Alright, after what, about an hour, we're leaving the Honda dealer. We saw a nice Honda Civic. It was beautiful.
Hi.
Richie doesn't know if he wants to go down to that size car because it's small. But it was cute. It was nice, and we'll have to see if we're gonna get that or not. We're gonna keep shopping around.
So are we going out to eat or are we cooking on the grill?
Here's
I'm cooking on
another.
the
Here's
grill.
another Mexican.
I don't know.
The mariachi.
Guys, YouTube, check out this square ice cream sandwich. I've never seen it like this.
We got it at a dealership near you.
Hi, I'm John.
David, you can't be serious, guys, about eating again.
Oh, they're already hungry. What are you talking about? RJ's starving.
Be quiet for a second.
All I have is a tiny ice cream sandwich. You getting the car?
So we're dropping stuff at the boxes here. Some clothes that we don't want, and so put it in there. I'm gonna keep the hard thing. The hard thing. No, not that. Throw that in there. That.
Bota.
Yeah. Do you have to fart? Sorry. No.
That goes, you keep them.
That's it. And then this. No, I don't want that.
I knew those weren't going to go if it was from the last one.
Oh, where did this come from?
I was in the house.
Oh, yeah. Tabby stuff is in here, too. You know what? I don't really care. So, we're throwing the clothes. Place clothes here. Hopping back in the car because it's starting to rain. Caleb, RJ sing.
It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. Hear the voice of your father.
It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. Hear the voice of my father.
Rain, I just
David, your turn.
No, we hear enough of it.
You have to sing.
No.
It's beginning to rain, 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 rain. In the voice of the Father.
You know, every song he sings in a
Richie, your turn. All the guys did it.
Is that true, Ken?
Go.
It's beginning to rain, rain, rain. In the voice of somebody's father.
So, guys, we're walking to the fireworks and we're late. They already started.
Yeah, we're late.
So, we're getting a good walk, though. And I have my mama here on the wheelchair. It's pretty dark, you can hardly see. But anyways, oh wow, it's dark. Fireworks are already started over there. Fireworks, yay!